Okay, so Samsung's back at it again, and this time it's not just some lazy refresh of last year's smartwatch lineup. The Galaxy Watch 8 series is about to drop, and things are actually kind of spicy. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel, it genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you've made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Let's talk upgrades. The Watch 8 Classic and the new Watch Ultra. Yeah, they're finally getting that much-needed storage boost. We're talking 64 gigs now, which is double what we had before. That means more music, more apps, more workouts saved. Heck, you could probably fit your entire running playlist in that one podcast you never finish. Meanwhile, the regular Watch 8 is still stuck at 32 gigs, so if storage is your thing, you're probably going to want to skip the base model. Now sizing. Samsung's covering all wrist types, kind of. The standard Watch 8 comes in 40 and 44 millimeters. The Classic bumps it to 46 millimeters, and the Ultra? That thing's massive at 47 millimeters. It's the biggest Samsung's ever made. If you're into chunky watches that scream tech beast, the Ultra's your guy. And with that size, you get a slightly bigger screen than the Classic. More screen, more glanceable info. Nice. Now on the battery, because let's be honest, no one wants to charge their watch every night. The Classic packs a 445 milliamps battery, but the Ultra jumps to 590 milliamps. That means noticeably better endurance, especially since all three watches are running the same Exynos 1000 chip. It's fast, reliable, nothing new. As for health tracking, don't expect big differences across the models. The sensors are basically the same. You're not missing out on anything huge no matter which one you pick. But if you're a fan of the rotating bezel, and let's be real, it's super satisfying to use, the Classic is where it's at. Just know you'll be trading a little battery life for that fancy spin action. So what matters more to you? More power or more style? Now let's talk prices. Samsung's reportedly bumping up the cost for the Watch 8 and Classic by about 50 euros in Europe, and chances are the US will see a similar hike. But plot twist, the Watch Ultra 2 is apparently sticking to its old price tag. Didn't see that one coming, but hey, a win's a win. Laker Evan Blass recently spilled the official renders, and now we've got a good look at the whole lineup. The standard Watch 8 ditches the old full-circle look for a sleeker, more modern face. Honestly, it looks sharp. The Classic's gone a bit rugged this time, and if it weren't for that bezel, you might mistake it for the Ultra at a glance. And the Ultra 2? Well, Samsung basically did the whole if it ain't broke, don't fix it thing. It looks nearly identical to last year's model, but still premium. One last heads up, both the Classic and the Ultra are only coming in 47 millimeters. No smaller sizes, so if your wrist is on the slimmer side, or you just don't want to feel like you're wearing a tiny tablet, the base Watch 8 might still be your best bet. That's the full rundown on what to expect before the official launch. If this got you hyped or even just slightly more informed, hit that like button. Maybe subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care and peace out.